Hey everyone! This tutorial will walk you through the steps of how to pull a report to see how students are doing on each of the standards in your course. So we will start on the analysis page and go ahead and click on the reports creator and create a new report. This report is the Teammate Standard Scores report. And go to your result filters. This is where you are going to indicate the teacher and the quarter in which you want to pull results for. So I'm just going to come here and go ahead and pull Mr. Faber, quarter 3. Once I've set those filters, I can head over to the standard scores filter. This is where I'm going to select which standards I want to see in the report. If you click all standards, it is only going to give you standards that you have used within that time frame. So you can either go through and pick specific standards, but checking all is only going to give the ones that you have used in your assessments. At this point, you can click Load Data. Then when the report shows up, the best view to look at is the pivot table. On the left side, I'm going to change my breakout to assigned standards. And this is one way to look at the standards overall, but it's very helpful to also make the left breakout by assessment. And you do not need to change any of the other sort column, score, or function. So now I am looking at the percentage of how students are doing with each individual standard that Mr. Faber has been targeting overall, and I can see which assessments they were stronger in and which ones they were weaker in.